So I know some people, like my parents, are probably going to want video evidence that I can actually solve a Rubik's Cube. Since I don't carry a Rubik's Cube on me when I'm around them to prove it, I'll do it here. I am sitting on my son's bed, and this is what's around. So this is the cube I'm going to use. It's a NexCube 3x3, and it's known as a speed cube because you can see that the corners are rounded, so it makes it a little bit easier to turn. It's a pretty fast cube to turn and all that good stuff. And also has a little bit of a stretch to it, which is different. But I always solve, also, I think it's pretty sufficiently mixed up, don't you think? I usually solve for the white face first, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And for the record, this is not being timed in any way, shape, or form. I don't time myself because I'm just not that good at it. So let's go ahead and do. Okay, most of the top is done now. Just gotta get these two turned the right way. There you go, and a quick twist.